This Ifor ap Glyn, and he bides here in Carnarvon, the most Welsh-speaking town in the world, where 9 out of 10 can speak the lead and most of the rest can enter. That said, he was born and brought up in a very different place, in the Welsh-speaking community of London, which is still to the fore the day. Both his father and his mama for him was fluent Welsh speakers, for neither of them ever bide in Wales. His great-grandfather was the first to settle in the city in 1886, although his father afore that had brought mountain ponies to sell at the horse fairs in the outskirts of London a generation afore. His family is fluent in the lead, and sometimes he kids on it he was raised bilingual, saying his mum speaks the way of Gwynedd in the north, while his father spak the way of Ceredigion in the south. After finishing the school in London, he went to college in Cardiff to study Welsh literature and Welsh history. His first goes at writing Welsh verse was penning the lyrics for a rock band that he sang with at the time. The desire to sing isn't so strong now since it was done, but the draw to perform hangs on in there, and he's been lucky enough to have presented his work on several continents. His poems has been our set till our 20 leads, and it's fine to be able to use the local tongue when sharing his work abroad, rather as depending on English our settings. It's fine to travel around Wales and of course. Ifor was part of the first poetry tour around the country back in 1986. He's taken part in many others for sign, usually accompanied by other Welsh language poets, but sometimes with poets for other lands, to like a Martin McIntyre for Scotland.
Ac o dîm Carnarvon, Ifor ap Glyn.
Another constant in his poetic career has been the party's time in the Talwrn, a knockout poetry competition on the wireless, where 12 teams of poets challenging another every week to see who will be crowned champion at the end of the year. Ifor's team, Carnarvon, has won yon accolade a couple of times, and he's indebted to the Talwrn in other ways the set tasks is a prompt to creativity.
Hunlyn arall I wadu'r hinlla, e bychiad arall mewn monolog o luniau.
Over the years, he's published 6 collections of poetry, a novel about Welsh life in London, and half a dozen factual works. Howsoever, Ifor's day job was as a producer for the telly. There were times he presented programmes and he still does back and forth. There'd been a range of subjects, for the Shitehouses of the world, for instance, to the history of slavery in the USA. E-series, Popeth and Gymraeg, Guthan in Welsh, was a social experiment where he gathered in Wales to see if he could get by working with English of a.
Ble rydych chi'n byw? Rwy'n byw yn y Benny!
In another programme, Ifor walked around the slit quarries in North Wales, where his mum's family wrote for many generations. That way of life, the only heavy industry in Welsh history to have been carried out near enough entirely through the medium of Welsh, has inspired a number of his poems.
Mae hanes yn hollti'n hawdd mewn dwylo medrus. Aeth y ladis a'r dutchies I fyd gwell prifysgolion, I doi capeli ac ysbytai. Arhosodd lluosogrwydd mwy fan hyn I godi pyramidiau'r werin, I droi cerrig wast yn rhwysg.
Most of his programmes has been documentaries, sometimes with literary connections, like in 2017, when he marked the death of Hyde Wynne, a promising young poet killed at Ypres before he kent that he'd won the share for the best poem at that year's Eisteddfod. When Ifor was appointed National Poet of Wales in 2016, he was the subject of a documentary himself. This clip shows the night that his poems was projected on the side of Big Ben.
Dwi'n falch iawn o fod yn rhan o Syl y Cofio yma ar Lanna'r Tafwys. Achos fel Cymro Llundain, fel hogyn a fagwyd yn y ddinas hon, mae gweld yn iaith ni yn cael ei thaflunio i fyny fyna ar ochr un o adeiladau mwy o symbolaidd y ddinas hon yn wirioneddol wefreiddiol. Ond dwi'n licio meddwl hefyd, gan fod hon yn ddinas mor cosmopolitan, gan fod gwledydd Prydain yn gyffredinol mor cosmopolitan, a chynifer ohonyn ni bellach yn siarad ieithoedd heblaw Saesneg wedi magu i siarad ieithoedd blaw Saesneg fel ieithoedd cyntaf. Dwi'n licio meddwl bod cynnwys y Gymraeg yma yn gydnabyddiaeth o'r ffaith yna hefyd.
Ifor is maintained by the possibilities of using other media to win new audiences for Welsh lead poetry, be that beer mats, postcards, bus stops even, and collaborating with musicians, of course. He performed this poem as part of the concert to celebrate the opening of the Welsh Senate in 1999.
Fydd colofnwyd papur newydd ddim yn cael parhau ar arfer o sillafu gogledd a de Cymru hefo G a D fawr megis gogledd a de Korea neu Vietnam, achos nid y 49th parallel na'r DMZ sy'n ein gwahanu, ond Lôn Sal, pobl sy'n deud Shaetlan a defaid teircoes ban y Brycheiniog, felly rhybydd, cynulliad, bydd yn newid ein ffordd ni o feddwl. Rhybydd, cynulliad, gadewch y rhagfan wrth y drws.
The potential of video is particularly appealing, as subtitles and other leads can easily be brought in without hindering the viewer's chance to enjoy the sound of the poem in the original language.
Bydd yn gwneud ni'n rhan o'r ateb, bydd yn newid ein ffordd ni o feddwl.
But nothing beats the experience of sharing poems with an appreciative live audience.
Diolch yn fawr.
And Ifor hopes to continue doing so for many years to come, both in Cymru and in the wider world beyond.